we're going to learn how to insert a table of contents. This document that I have open here, it's an advanced Excel manual with a table of contents that was inserted using Microsoft Word. The benefit of using a table of contents using Microsoft Word's functions as opposed to manually doing it yourself is that the page numbers automatically update when you move the content around. So when you do it manually, you have to manually go back and edit the page numbers once you have moved around the content in the document. As you will see here, Formula Basics is page 10. So I'm going to go to page 10 and I'm going to move that to page 11. Now ordinarily you'd have to go back to your table and you'd have to manually change it to page 11, which would mean that you'd have to change every other page below that page. When using Microsoft Word to do the table of contents, you simply go to your table, you go to the table of contents group and you select Update Table. There are two options, update page numbers only or update entire table. Here we just need to update the page number. I'm going to select OK. And you'll see the page numbers have changed. Now you have to set up your table of contents in a specific way for it to work in Microsoft Word. And I'm going to show you how to do this from scratch. So I'm going to go to another document. This document is a list of course outlines. And I want to insert a table of contents so I can see at a glimpse where each course outline is situated. So what we do is we go to the References tab, we go to Table of Contents group and we select the Table of Contents icon. It will give you a choice of different tables that you can choose from. So I'm going to select the first one, Automatic Table 1. Now it's just giving you information to add or remove items in the table of contents. Select text in your document and then do one of the following. You apply heading style from the Styles gallery on the Home tab, or change the outline level of the text using the Add Text menu in the Table of Contents group of the References tab. So I'm going to go down to the first outline. I'm going to do the first option that Word suggested. I'm going to go to Home and I'm going to apply Heading 1 at the Styles group. I'm going to go back to my table of contents. I'm going to click into it and I'm going to select the Update Table option. And you'll see now it's brought up the heading of the outline as well as the page number. I'm going to go to the second outline and here I'm going to do it the second way Microsoft Word suggested. So you put your cursor in the heading, we go to the References tab, go to the Table of Contents group, we go to the Add Text icon and we select Level 1. Now it changes the formatting when you do that. So once you've added the level 1, you go back and you format it the way that you want to. So I'm going to go back up to the table. I'm going to select Update Table. Now we can update page numbers only or update entire table. I'm going to select Update Entire Table. I click OK and you'll see now the Communications outline is now in the table of contents. Now you'll see the formatting is different. How we do that as we select the text, we go to the font that we require, and there the formatting has changed. I'm going to do it one more time. We go to the next course outline, so we can put in a heading, then you format it how you want it. I'm going to put a fill for the background, go back to the top, select update table, and then I'm going to select update entire table and select OK. And you'll see mathematical literacy has now been included. Every time you update, the formatting will change. So once your table of contents is finished, then you must change the formatting to how you want it. I'm going to do it one more time. Go to Microsoft Office Access. I'm going to go to References. I'm going to go to the Table of Contents group. I'm going to select Add a Text. I'm going to select Level 1. Again, you can change the formatting thereafter. Go back to the top. I'm going to select Update Table. I'm going to show you what happens when you only update page numbers. You'll see it has not actually included the last outline that we included. So I'm going to select Update Table. I'm going to click on Update Entire Table, and then I'm going to select OK, and you'll see it has been included. So again, to change the formatting, you go to the appropriate font, you can remove the shading, and there you go, the contents has been formatted correctly. And that is how you insert a table of contents into a document.